Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to go over the tools and softwares that I use to run my agency Maplet Media so that you can incorporate these tools in your business, or if you're looking to start up an agency, then maybe this framework can help you. So let's start off with kind of the core foundation is what I use is just the Google G Suite. So Google G Suite provides emails and file management, so Google Drive. So that's kind of the core foundation that I use to communicate with clients is directly with email. The good thing about G Suite is you can use your custom domain. So instead of using just the Gmail email, you can use your custom domain. So in my case, it would be sean@mapletmedia.com. And then that just provides a professional brand. So that's kind of something I would recommend you get started with in the beginning instead of just operating on the free version of Gmail. Next, what I use for sales communication is HubSpot. So this helps with client relation management. So when you're generating leads, if they're in prospect mode, or if you already sent your proposal, and then if the deal is won or lost. So this helps with just keeping a pipeline of your sales. So this helps with your sales reps. If you have sales reps, they're able to manage all the leads. And then having a CRM software helps with making your sales process more efficient and closing more deals in the end, because you're able to organize and do follow-ups as you have all your deal flow located in one piece of software. Okay, and then for contracts, I use DocuSign. So the documents, if you need clients to sign it remotely, you can use DocuSign, and it is still legal binding. So that's what I use for e-signatures. Okay, and then the software I use for project management is ClickUp. So this helps with keeping your projects organized, and then you can assign team members and clients to a board. So I would recommend ClickUp for your project management software. And then for team communication, I use Slack. So again, this is just a real-time chat, so that's free to use. So in terms of creating mockups and designs, I use Figma, as well as Canva for any social media or just graphic design. So Figma and Canva are the two design tools that I use in my agency. And then in terms of development, so my agency specializes in WordPress and Shopify, as well as Laravel as well. So those are kind of the three main platforms that I service. So websites require hosting. So for that, I use WP Engine or Cloudways. So it depends on what the clients prefer. Cloudways is a bit more DIY, as you're able to create custom servers. And then WP Engine is more of a done-for-you solution. So it really depends on the client and their requirements. Okay, and then just for development, VS Code, if I'm doing any custom coding, is what I would use. And then for domain management, I use Namecheap. So that's what I would recommend to clients, but sometimes GoDaddy as well, as it's kind of just a well-known brand. But again, I would recommend Namecheap as it's just a cheaper alternative, and they're a good service. Okay, next for video conferencing, I use Zoom. And for voice over IP, I use their Zoom phone service. So again, having a remote agency, you're not able to meet in person. So Zoom is an essential piece to communicating with your client directly outside of email and text. Okay, and then lastly, for general storage and file management, if we're having to store large files for projects, then I would use just Google Drive and just share that with the client, and then they would upload all their data, and then that's what we would use for just file management. And again, just the Google G Suite is a good starting point for any kind of small business, as it has all the tools you need to run your business online. Okay, great. So those are the main tools that I use in my business. If you're looking to kind of learn more about any of the tools that I use, then let me know in the comments, and then I can make like a more in-depth video on whatever tool you guys are interested in. So if you need any help with your website, or if you're looking to start an agency, then you can click the link in the description to book a consultation with me. And if you'd like to look over my services and learn more about my business, then you can check out my website, mapletmedia.ca. So please like and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest videos, and we're approaching that 1,000 subscriber mark. So if you're not subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it. And I wish you guys a happy holidays, and thanks for watching.